what's up? As you can see from the title, I will be showing you my new apartment. This is my first grown-up apartment. I've had apartments when I lived in the States, but I've always had roommates. Now I have my own personal... I have my own. This is the Virgin Islands. It's always super loud, but I've always had roommates. This is my first place, and then there goes the airplane because I'm pretty close to the airport. But yeah, this is my first grown-up apartment. I wanted to show it to you because I'm sure like a lot of you haven't seen apartments in the Virgin Islands. They're not very glamorous, they're not very luxurious, they're pretty simple. Especially on St. Thomas, you can get a one-bedroom apartment from about $700 at the very low end and upwards. For a very luxurious, glamorous apartment, you're looking at about $2,000, $3,000 for a really glamorous apartment. This is a very simple apartment. I'm paying little rent for a two-bedroom. Usually places like this can range from about $1,300-$1,400 for this type of apartment, but my rent is only $800 for 2 months, or for a month, not 2 months, for 8 months, which is really cheap. I'm giving all my business out there, but for people who are thinking about coming to the Virgin Islands, it's basically like New York. Rent is super expensive, but unlike New York, food is also super expensive. But anyway, let's get into my apartment. So let's figure out the key situation. It's one of these. I don't even know if that's the right, oops, nope. It's one of these, I think it's this. Is it not? Oh, there we go. There we go. Fail, okay. Okay, so this is the living room. The reason stuff is in here is because my friend Kiva lived here before I did. So she left me some of her furniture. I'm gonna give you a little view of it. This is what it looks like. There's this really nice couch, this is really nice, as well as this like TV stand, which is super cute as well. And then there's this like dining table. I can't remember what this is called. She also left that. She also left this chair, but I'm sure I'm not gonna keep this because it doesn't really super match whatever else is going on. So I probably will get rid of this and take that to my parents' house. And I'm still in the Virgin Islands, my parents still live here. But I don't think I'm gonna keep that couch, or if I do, I'm gonna put it outside on the porch because it doesn't really match the living room. So in the Virgin Islands, I'm sure it's like this in the States too, people usually have these hanging. That's just basically to connect TV and internet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that because I probably won't cut it, but I'll probably wrap it in the corner. It's not gonna be cute, but I'll probably wrap it in the corner. But that's pretty typical in the Virgin Islands. Yeah, I wanted to say that. It's a nice little basic lampshade. So that's the living room. Now we're gonna go into my nook area, which I'm going to use as an office space. So this is my little nook living room area. She left me this fan, which needs to be cleaned, so I have to clean that. She also left me this desk, which I thought was really cute. This chair doesn't really match, and it is actually for the dining room, and I'll show you that in a second. So I probably will strip this down and paint it black, because every room is gonna have a different color scheme, and I'm gonna get into that when I start designing, but that's gonna be probably black, because this is gonna be my black and white section. The living room is going to be my green and neutrals, and you can see the wall, unlike a lot of YouTube videos or YouTube places, are not white. It's more like this yellowy color. I kind of would want it white because white does make the place look bigger, but I'm not gonna hire a painter, so I'm not gonna do that. So that's a nice color. I think it's different. She also left me this rug, which I'll be throwing away because it don't match the look that I'm going for. And she left this vase, which is kind of tarnish, but I will be spray painting it metallic gold. I'm putting it in the living room on top of the TV stand because I probably will not buy a TV stand. So this is the view of the living room, and there's stuff on the dining table. She also left me this dining table, which I will probably cover with a tablecloth, I believe, or not. It's a pretty wood color, and it kind of does match the wood on the cabinets. It's kind of a bit off, but it's not too bad. So I may not painted, but I think I'm gonna put a tablecloth on it, but I'm not quite sure yet. It does come with this curtain, which I will definitely be taking down and switching that out. Of course, like broom, dustpan, all of that. There's a stove, which is included. She also left me a microwave and a toaster oven. I do wish the microwave was white, but I'm probably too cheap to buy a white one, especially because I have a working black one. But the stove is white, so that's annoying because they don't really match. But the fridge is pretty much clean. I will do some more cleaning. There's just some water that she left. And this is a pretty big fridge for me because it's just me, as y'all know. But yeah, simple kitchen, no marble on the counter. It's just a simple island living, basically. Yeah, that's it. This is a microwave, as I said. And she did leave like cups and plates and stuff. I have to go through and see what I actually want. I think she left some stuff on the top, yeah. To go through and see exactly what I want. But I haven't done that yet. This is my first official day in the apartment. Now let's go into my studio. She was supposed to take this bed with her and I'm not sure what happened. But no worries. I think my mom is gonna come and have my dad take it apart and they're gonna take that to my house. But this will be my studio. And you'll get a better view. And most Virgin Islands homes, a lot of Virgin Islands homes are you know, have these louvers because they're good for hurricanes. They're also fairly cheap compared to a lot of windows. Everything here is imported, so things are super expensive. And these are glass shutters, so they don't even match in a true Virgin Islands fashion. You know, in the VI, we're very simple people. So there's this door or this closet, which I'll be using as a second closet, and also and it's huge to store. It's not walk-in, but it's pretty big to store additional clothes and like my backdrops and stuff like that. I will definitely have my dad come and take and take these doors off because they don't really match what I'm going for. So yeah, I'll probably take those off, I believe. Now let's go into the bathroom. I'll leave the lights on, okay. This is the bathroom. I'm probably gonna go and get a curtain today or tomorrow. At some point, get a new shower curtain. It's a very simple bathroom. It's small, it's not big, but it's gonna work for me. I'm a single woman, so it's just me in here. And I get like a rug and a cover for the toilet and all that. And yeah, this is my little, and I'm like sweating, y'all, because there's no air conditioning in here, which is pretty typical for the Virgin Islands. So a lot of us have fans. I plan to put in ACs in the bedroom and in the studio because, bro, it's hot. There's a little hook to hang stuff on, which is good, but I probably will get a bigger one because I have stuff to hang on it, so I probably will get a bigger one today or tomorrow or whatever. So yeah, that's what this is looking like. I'm gonna give you a good view. This is the closet slash my junk room. They had a bunch of wooden shelves in here, but there's some termites issues, which is really common here too. I mean, it's the tropics, the heat, all of that creates that type of environment. So they just bought this from Home Depot. Unfortunately, it doesn't flip the other way because it's too big, but it still works for me because I can still put things in here and store it. So this is going to be a storage room for me. Oh, where's the light? I can't turn it off. There we go. And the last but not least is my bedroom. It's not a super big bedroom. It's big compared to some Virgin Islands bedrooms, but it's not super big. By and large, most of our spaces are smaller. Everyone's kind of tightly packed together. So she left me this furniture when I bought it from her. There's a queen size bed with the box spring and the mattress. There's a nightstand, the chest drawer, I don't know what y'all call it, and there's like a blue patch. I need to tell the landlord to come fix that because that's triggering for me. I don't know why it's there. She got this fan, which I'm not sure I'll keep. I'm sure I'll keep it for now, but I probably will get rid of it because it's kind of rusty and old, so I may have to like spray paint it or something, but not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. And then there's another drawer, which is helpful because I have a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna wipe those off, wipe those out and everything. Also have these closet doors, which I will probably get rid of because I don't really like them. They don't match my furniture, so I'll probably, I don't think I can paint them, so I will probably take them down and store them in the closet for now. And here's somewhere I can store my shoes, and I will probably put that in the living room for shoes when I come in. So yeah, it's a pretty big closet, as you can see. I'm sweating. So that's it, y'all. That is my apartment, and this is my hairstyle. I think I'm 12, but I have a video coming if it hasn't been up already with this hairstyle. Yeah, I will definitely keep you updated on how I design it. If that's something you're interested in, please let me know by commenting down below and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to my apartment, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.